Hi there! In today's video, we're going to cover a few different ways in which you can use your Procreate layers to create more complex artworks and improve your overall workflow. Let's start off by going over the basics. To create a new layer, all we need to do is tap the new layer icon and hit the plus symbol. Deleting a layer is just as easy. Just swipe left on a layer and hit delete. Duplicating a layer uses the same process, except this time we're going to hit duplicate instead. And to hide and unhide layers, we just tap the checkbox icon to the right of the layer. Now let's move on to some slightly more advanced layer functions. Clipping masks are perfect for when you only want to draw within a specified area or shape. They can make working with multiple layers a lot easier. To create a clipping mask, simply open up your Layers panel, tap the layer icon, and select Clipping Mask. Now you'll be able to quickly and easily draw within any shape. Merging layers is a great way to keep your workspace organized and tidy. Just use 2 fingers to pinch together which layers you want to merge. Just like this. Try it. Adjusting a layer's opacity is just as simple. All you need to do is open up the Layers panel and use 2 fingers to double tap the layer you want to adjust. A slider will appear at the top of the screen, which you can use to change that layer's opacity. Give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next upload. And be sure to leave a comment on what you want to see next. See you in the next video!